Hello. Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the redhead, a diving duck that's found in massive numbers, but is a little bit more difficult to find. I went to Fountain Creek Nature Center. We spotted a good variety of waterfowl, including a pie-billed grebe, mallards, widgeon, a Canada goose, and gadwall. Gadwall are dabbling ducks, meaning they typically feed without fully submerging. The birds kept coming, with blue herons, a few red-tailed hawks, a kingfisher, and a distant sharp-shinned hawk. Despite the high number of birds, there were no redheads. My sister Molly got her bird of the day, a green-winged teal, North America's smallest dabbling duck. A ruby-crowned kinglet and a sleepy prairie dog ended our outing. Without my bird of the day, I had to improvise. I made my way up north and arrived at a water treatment plant. The ponds were private, so I had to look through a fence. Ravens flew overhead, and I spotted a group of mallards. And swimming with the mallards was our bird of the day. I left the pond at sunset and bid farewell to my bird of the day.